Hey everyone, welcome back to Honeybee Farmstead. So I am going down the back because this trailer here on the back of the car is full of chickens. I just got a ton of chickens from somewhere that we're trying to get rid of them because they are covered in mites and they've got scaly legs and all that sort of stuff. So I thought I would show you guys the process to fix it, to treat it. So I use Ivermectin, and that's what's in this spray bottle here. Neat, I haven't diluted it. They're only going to get one tiny little spray on their comb, and then I do a withholding period of a week, but these guys aren't laying at the moment anyway because they're in such a bad way. But they can't just be left like that, so the lady gave them to me because she didn't want to have to deal with it, and I am going to treat them and put them in this little pen. So I've created this little separate pen because none of my birds have mites and none of our animals have mites, so we have to keep them separate from our animals. So this is a little quarantine pen for now, and we'll treat them and put them in there, and when we see that the mites are dead or falling off them, we can let them out into free range with the others. Push it right near the... Push it in, yep. Go the other way, yep. Open it up. Wow. 1 million chickens. Look at them all. They're in terrible, terrible way. So we're going to treat them. Pop them in the little ISO cage. They have plenty of food and water. And when they're all better, see the head flicking a lot? They're uncomfortable.
No, it's probably unwell, guys.
She's not feeling good.
Not looking too good. Where did you get them from?
Remember that clearing sale we went to with Grandma? Can you grab that, Raylan?
From there. Somebody is very sick.
Somebody
She'll be alright. She'll be alright.
Somebody brought what?
They won't bite you at all.
There you go. They won't hurt you. Gracie, how about? Want me to hold it?
If any of them pass, I can use it for fox bait.
Can you get the sick one, Braylon? Okay. I don't want to. I've told you.
Here, Gracie, how about?
You've got so much poops. Why are they all flicking? Like one flicks and the other flicks.
Because they've got mites, Jacko.
Somebody
on,
go
girls.
grab this. Oh, it's Grace, Braylon. Who should I grab next? Francis, can you please? I don't know if it
Grace, take one. A little bit, that's it, take it. You don't want any getting out without being treated. Come on.
Come on, girls, hurry up.
Droppity drop. The little spray bottle we're using here has got Ivermectin, which is for cattle. So I've had a good friend of mine help me do the math on exactly how much these chickens should have on them so as not to cause an overload or a toxicity for the little guys. They're already quite sickly, so we wanted to make sure we do the right thing by them. I then also decided to treat my own chickens anyway, as the entire time I've had them, we've never had a parasite issue, and I wanted to be sure that they wouldn't get sick as well. It took about 7 days to see absolutely no sign of mites on the chickens, which was pretty great, and now they've been added to my other flock and are doing really well. They even started laying again, which is brilliant. And you can see the head shaking. Well, they don't do that anymore either. So, let me show you the difference between this and look in there, look in there. All of the chickens with the light pink comb are not laying at the moment. All of the chickens with the dark red comb are laying.
Grab one.
He won't hurt you.
So bad.
Just grab one. Got one there. Got one.
What?
It won't hurt him. It won't hurt him.
It really won't hurt them.
That's it, right here. Drop. Have a close up look. This is what mite looks like. See all that? Little tiny bugs.
This is a lightish one.
There you go, take it.
This is a lightish one.
Yep. No, this one's laying.
Is there any roosters?
No.
All hens.
So we just spray and that'll soak in to their skin because it's a pour-on and kill all the bugs and stuff. Some of them have got okay legs and others have got scaly leg mite. So if we just treat them, that'll kill every parasite they have on them. They've had their beaks clipped as well, which is a barbaric and awful thing to do. I know it's only like a fingernail, but they use it for eating and preening themselves. An easier way would just be to have roll-away egg cages where they can't eat the eggs. So that's why they clip their beaks, so that they don't eat eggs.
You want me to switch, Grace?
Here we're looking at an egg-bound chicken or a possibly egg-bound chicken. The ways to treat this is to give calcium. It's often a calcium deficiency or a dehydration issue. So make sure they get plenty of water. You can give them a warm water bath or lubricate the area, as well as placing her in a dark nest area and allowing it to pass. And if that doesn't work, you can massage the area and then keep repeating those things until the egg passes. This wasn't an egg-bound chicken, but it is how it looks if there is an egg-bound chicken. So I was explaining to the kids just how to treat it and what we look for with an egg-bound chicken. Alright, love. I hope you didn't grab them, please.
Right.
Good job, girl.
I'll go help Sienny. She did not like this one. You darling.
I just wanted to take this opportunity to say sorry that we haven't posted in a while. We've actually moved over to our new location for Honeybee Farmstead, and there is no Wi-Fi or phone service at all out here. We are in the process of preparing that though, so that I can keep bringing you guys content and show you around our new property. It's beautiful out here and I can't wait to share that all with you guys. thanks for sticking in with us and continuing to like our journey. Please share, subscribe, comment, and click the like button. Thanks, guys.
Bust ups.
It's a little cage, but it's only for a few days, and they've got food, they've got water.
They've got greens.
This little one doesn't look too good, but she is covered in mites. We might.
If she does look good. If
she does die.
Worse, no.
I need a spray.
If she does get any worse, we'll put her out of the misery.
Here we go.
But yeah.
Listen to their fighting.
Kids these days.
So they've got some greens to pick at, plenty of food, plenty of water, and they've all been treated. So these scabby girls that have got mites all over them will be feeling a lot better in a very short amount of time. Thanks to my videographer, and I hope that helped you guys, and for you to know what to look out for with chickens. And yeah, when you go to buy chickens, you can actually check for that quite quickly. All you do is run the feathers back the other way, the way opposite to how they grow, and you'll see them. So if you have a look here, you will see on the top of their combs, they're all starting to sort of clear already, because the mites do not like that spray I was putting on them. But yeah, if you have a look here at this girl, you can see them really, really clearly, really quite a lot of them. That's a bad infestation. Very easily check for mites yourself, and scaly leg mite is just scaly, horrible looking legs. A nice clean chicken leg is very easy to distinguish. So because guinea pigs also get mites, and they're sitting next to this cage here, we're going to treat the guinea pigs as well. We can use the same thing, the Ivermectin Poron. We just use a smaller amount because they're a smaller animal, so you need to use a couple of drops. Hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. And yeah, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for joining us. Bye for now.